Hello everyone, this is AJ with Wholesale Land and Homes, and I'm here at the latest property on Tiger Drive. It's located out in Mammoth, Arizona. So you can see here, you have the power line here. We know we have water, so it's a really great lot. So the lot overall is 6,096 square feet, so fairly large. Really great for you for your next project. If you want to go ahead and renovate this property, is an option, but also if you want to put in a double wide or a single family home or a single wide on top of this home or this lot would definitely be perfect for you as well. But definitely we can discuss those different options once we're with you or once you let us know you have interest in purchasing. So this is the interior of the home. So you're approximately going through into the living room to a bedroom that's here. And going over to another room area. And over here you'll see there's a, so it's the closet here. Okay, and then over here be the kind of like the bathroom. Okay, so now we'll head over to the kitchen. Okay, and then it's a separate room here. Okay, all right. If you're interested, definitely please give me a call. Thank you.